Yes, be ready, start. It is only in those cases where the court, while dealing with Section 8 of the Act, finds that there are very serious allegations of fraud which make a virtual case of criminal offense, or where allegations of fraud are so complicated that it becomes absolutely essential that such complex issues can be decided only by civil court on the appreciation of the voluminous evidence that needs to be produced. The court can sidetrack the agreement by dismissing application under Section 8 and proceed with the suit to Civil Appeal number 7005 of 2019 bracket start arising out of SLP number 4061 of 2019 bracket close on merits stop. It can so done also in those cases where there are serious allegations of forgery / fabrication of documents in support of the plea of fraud, or where fraud is alleged against the arbitration provision itself, or is of such a nature that permits the entire contract, including the agreement to arbitrate, meaning thereby in those cases where fraud goes to the validity of the contract itself, of the entire contract which contains the arbitration clause, or the validity of the arbitration clause itself. Stop. Reverse position thereof would be that there are simple allegations of fraud touching upon the internal affair of the party inter se, and it has no implication in the public domain. The arbitration clause need not be avoided, and the parties can be relegated to arbitration. Stop. Stanza. While dealing with such an issue in an application under Section 8 of the Act, the focus of the court has to be on the question as to whether jurisdiction of the court has been outstated, instead of focusing on the issue as to whether the court has jurisdiction or not. Stop. It has to be kept in mind that insofar as statutory scheme of the Act is concerned, it does not specifically exclude any category of cases as non-arbitrable. Stop. Such categories of non-arbitrable subjects are carved out by the courts, keeping in mind the principle of common law that certain disputes which are of public nature, etc., are not capable of adjudication and settlement by arbitration, and for resolution of such disputes, courts, that is, public fora, are better suited than a private forum of arbitration. Stop. Therefore, the inquiry of the court while dealing with an application under Section 8 of the Act should be on the aforesaid aspect which. Stop. Over.